Did you know there's a classification of birds called nearly flightless birds? I think that is pretty damn funny all by itself. These are birds that almost can't fly. They can fly around all they want, but the whole time they're up there, they're like, whoa, whoa, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. We should not be up here. We are like this close to not being able to do that. Nearly flightless birds. What are the other ones? Completely flightless birds? They're just sitting on the beach like, this is bullshit. Why are we even birds? And of course, there's completely flightful birds all the way at the top. Just a bunch of elitist bird assholes. Think they're better than everyone else. Flying around with attitude, like, looking down at all the other birds.